It is one of the hottest health and nutrition products on the market. MonaV is a fruit juice that promises to ease pain, boost energy, and improve your overall health.
Despite its $45 a bottle price tag, it's selling like crazy. NBC2's Jessica Stillwell finds out what the hype is all about.
I'd like to look younger. I'd like to live longer. I want to be as healthy as I can.
For Donna and Clyde Huffman, that means regular workouts. But it also includes something else.
When you're 69 years old and going to be 70 in a few months, you have aches. So I don't have any of those aches and pains, and I have energy that abounds.
MonaV is made up of 19 fruit juices, but its star ingredient is the acai berry, plucked straight from the rainforest of Brazil. And that means big bucks. One bottle can cost as much as $45. But that's not slowing sales.
It's being taken to market through independent distributors.
Shelley is a top distributor for MonaV. She went from being a stay-at-home mom of 4
I learned a little bit about fruit
to making hundreds of thousands of dollars in less than 2 years.
If you can do something that you can believe in, you can be passionate about, get excited about, and just go out and share it with everybody and get paid amazing amounts of money to do it, you know, it's like the perfect business model.
Patients have more energy, they're sleeping better.
Dr. Fred Leibowitz has a pain management practice in Fort Myers. For him, it's about making his patients feel better with fewer drugs.
It doesn't make any claims against treating certain types of diseases. It's basically good nutrition that most people should be taking on a daily basis.
But people who sell MonaV, like Shelley, are convinced this product is the best you can buy, and one of the biggest benefits is sharing it with others. Jessica Stillwell, NBC2 News.